People my age from 18 to 25 have been lied to about time. What's good with y'all? If y'all don't know who I am, I go by Cody J, but y'all can call me Javon. As a young person, bro, when you're 18, people will tell you that you don't have a lot of time left. And in my opinion, bro, even though I'm 22, I kind of disagree. Because not only do I feel like we do have a lot of time, but I feel like the way you use your time is what matters the most. As a young person, you have a lot more time ahead of you than you think. It's because you might be 18, 19, 20, and you don't know what you want to do right now. You still use your time efficiently to learn skills that will get you to the point where you want to go. You don't have to do what everybody else tells you to do. You don't have to go to college because mom and dad tell you to go to college. We really live in a world where you can just really do what you want to do what your heart desires. If you start now, then over time, bro, things that you do, the habits that you build will compound over years and years versus just starting off at 30, 40 years old. And now you have more responsibilities. Now you have more things that you have to put into consideration because if you waste your time, things might not work out the way you want it to work out. Every single day that you have as a young person, you should be stacking your wins, stacking small habits, small goals, whether it's taking that course, whether it's reading that book, or taking the classes that you need to do the things that you want to do. Whether you want to be a cook, whether you want to be a content creator like myself, whatever field that you desire. I don't really believe in doing things outside of what you're comfortable doing just because it may not make as much monetary gain. Me personally, I feel like if you have a love and a passion for what you're doing, then you should go ahead and pursue it. But some people may think otherwise, that you should get a job. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with getting a job, but at the same time, use your job as a tool to support what you want to do in the long run. While you're using your 9 to 5 as a tool, you can only worry about paying your bills. Meanwhile, you have time to build up your platform, build up your resume, and experience to do whatever it is that you desire, right? So, with that being said, bro, you have to do at least one thing that's going to move the needle forward. Just like I was talking to my coach about, I feel like sometimes the anxiety and pressure that we have towards times, it kind of overwhelms us. One day we feel like we don't have time, we're running out of it. One time we feel like we do have time and we can just waste it. So to find that balance in that middle ground is to just start doing something today. Whether it's just doing one thing, for you it might be just reading that one page, that one chapter of a book, or just watching that one YouTube video that's gonna teach you a skill that you want to learn. I kind of beat myself up when I don't get certain things done. I set my goals and my expectations super high to the point where they become overwhelming and I just don't want to do them entirely. And that's what happens, man. You put a lot of pressure on yourself that you feel like, oh, you got to get things done. You got to get things done. But that just creates anxiety. And it's not that we're lazy or we just don't want to do anything. It's just we have the drive and the ambition, but the execution isn't there. Just think about it. Like last time you were in a rush, the anxiety and the pressure that you built up. Oh, I got to reach this certain deadline. Oh, 5 o'clock's about to hit. I got to get this work done. Anything like that, right? You're going to pressure yourself and overwhelm yourself with getting done in that amount of time to the point where you're not going to perform as well unless you do perform under pressure. But for me, man, I always knew that I want to be a person that would perform under pressure, right? So I know that me doing just one thing, one small habit that's going to move the needle and push towards my goals will help me, a long way because just think about you doing one thing and then you're doing another thing. you're gonna want to get to a point where you can just start doing more and more and more, and my best advice for anybody would just be to start somewhere, taking just one small step, because you gotta crawl before you walk, and you gotta walk before you run, right? And a lot of people, even me, man, I feel like we just have to run. We just have to have everything figured out. And the truth is, man, nobody has it figured out. People 3 times my age don't have it figured out. We're all just progressively learning as time goes by so that we can be able to teach other people. And that's why I really made this channel, man, because there's certain things that I learned, certain things that I had to take from other people that I want to give to y'all. If you like this video, like, share, and comment, and I'll see y'all.